Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video or series tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce to MuleSoft in 2024. Of course, integrating Salesforce with MuleSoft allows you to streamline your data flow and also enhance your integration capabilities. So today, we will guide you through the steps to set up this connection effortlessly. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and open a browser, of course. Make sure to go to the URL section. Of course, here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Just go and type basically salesforce.com, hit the enter button. Make sure, of course, you'll be taken to the home screen, main screen. If you have a problem in the language, you can simply just go and delete this URL right here and type EU. And this, as you can see, will solve the language. It will put this back in English. Of course, if you're not from Europe, you can simply just go to this icon in the left of login. Just go and choose wherever you're from to select whatever you want, or simply select the language that you want right away. And of course, if you want to log in, just go hover this login, click on Salesforce here, and you should be able to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on try it for free, and you'll basically have to answer some 9 questions, and you'll be able to start your 30 days free trial. Very free, as you can see, no obligations, no payments, and no credit card required to start your free trial. If you don't want to start your free trial yet, of course, you can just go and type here in the URLs like Salesforce demo and simply sign up for a demo to try things out before like you start your free trial. As you can see, you'll be here to test a lot of stuff. Like you'll be able to connect with a lot of stuff, create and deliver all the things that you want to do. Salesforce, you'll be able to do it here in their demo. The same will be able, or you'll have to do it for Mule like soft. Just go here and type MuleSoft. Just go to the URL section or the first like option. A link there. Make sure to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, if you don't have an account, click on start or free trial here to start your free trial. Here, as you can see, you'll have to fill up all those information. So for me, it's my first time here. I'll just go and fill up those information example. So for you, just do whatever you want here. For me, I'll just do the same. Job title for me as example, I'll just do a student here. Country, I'll just go into select why United States. Why not? Yeah. So where is it? So yeah, United States in here. States, I guess Texas here. Company name, I'll just name it like the name of my email. Number of employees, just one. Industry as example, I don't know, I'll just do education. Phone number, I'll just do, where is it? Like the one that I'm using. Okay, it's not here, so I'll just go and add one. The surname as example, I'll just add this. The password, I'll just go here and create a password. Of course, make sure it contains like lowercase characters and uppercase characters and also numbers. Then check this option that I'm not sure about. After that, just go and agree to the MuleSoft terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to it, if you want to read it, be my guest, just go and read it. Then check with this option, then click on create an account. So once you do so, your account should be created. And as you can see, you can verify with your email. Basically, just go click here on verify, and as you can see, and they will send you a code onto your email, of course. So just go to your email provider, which is here Gmail in my case. And as you can see, where is it? This one, as you can see, they send me a code. So I'll just go and copy that code. As you can see, XY4P93. So XY4PY, so PY3. Then I'll just go here and click on confirm. Wait, it's wrong. So P93. Okay, yeah, not Y. So P93. Then click on confirm, and as you can see, your email address was verified. So as you can see now, I have all access to both like this Mule Soft and also Salesforce. So basically, when I try to connect two platforms, the first thing I check is simply a tool called Zapier. So you can simply just go to zapier.com. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken here. Of course, there's other options like this one called automate.io and a lot of other options that you want to check it out. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click on sign up to create an account. And if you have an account, you can simply just go and click on login. You can log in, as you can see, using a lot of options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and also logging in into your account. So basically here, if we go to this list panel, we'll have to check for these two apps like MuleSoft and Salesforce. For example, I'll just go here and click on or type Salesforce. As you can see, we'll find it here. I'll just go and click on connect. Make sure to choose here production. Of course, sandbox, if you're just using sandbox normally, is going to be production. Then sign in into your account. The same will be for MuleSoft. Let's check if there's MuleSoft here. So as you can see, there's no MuleSoft, so I'll not be able to use this app here. As I said, this is normally the first option that I think about when I try to connect two things together. Why? Because it will not just help me connect two things together. It will also help me automate a lot of stuff. Like when something happened in sales like force, something will happen in Mules like soft, and also the opposite. And you can do multiple zaps, like unlimited zaps, even in the free plan of Zapier. So yeah, as you can see, like zaps unlimited, so you can do unlimited stuff. And yeah, so normally if that didn't work, I'll just go and do the normal like connection between the two of them. As you can see, normally when you just go and create an account, you'll find here Salesforce at the top. So if you create your account, as an example, the same email or something like that, it will has an initial connection between the two of them. Or if we go here to the profile as example, as you can see, you can go here to connected apps. And as you can see, you'll find no authorization here at the moment. Nothing, no connected apps at the moment, of course. So just go then and click on Access Management and go scroll down here or go and click on Connected Apps. And as you can see, you can simply just go and create an app and give it a name and get the URL, of course, of everything. Of course, you'll get everything from your Salesforce. Just fill up those informations, then click on Save, and it should be connected without any problems. Of course, you can also like give authorization. You can do some scope documentation. You can do a lot of stuff. Of course, you have here some composer sync. Of course, you can add some composer organization if you want to. Basically, you can go to settings on your composer organization, select accounts and general informations, and fill up your organization ID from here, and it will be synced into it. Of course, you can even add some trusted domains. You can get a URL from Salesforce, so you can simply just go and add it right here if you want to do this as well. Other than that, of course, you can also just go and download like the Anypoint Studio. Of course, you'll find it in the development environment for MuleStone. And of course, you'll be able with that also to go and configure like the Salesforce connector and create some Salesforce connection between the two of them. Of course, here you can even like connect some data with some APIs. Example, just go here and click on Add API. And of course, you would like to go and try to get the API, of course, and connect it with each other. So I guess that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.